So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find your network adapter. You just want to take note of the name that you have. So for me, it's called Intel R Pro. You just want to take note of your name. And then you want to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand network adapters. And then you're going to find that same network adapter with the same name. So now you want to right click on it and then click on properties and then click on driver. If you have an option to roll back to your driver, then you want to click on roll back driver and then go back to your previous driver. If you cannot do that, then you want to click on update driver and then click on search responsive for drivers. Make sure you have the best drivers for your device installed. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on this PC. And then you want to find a drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. So for me, I have the Windows logo on this drive and it's called my C drive. So you're going to take note of your drive letter name. So for me, it's called the C drive. And now once you take note of your drive letter name, then you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in chkdsk space and then the drive letter name that you just took note of. So for me, it's going to be C and then put colon. Make sure that you put your letter and then put a colon. Now you're going to put a space again and then type in /F and click on enter. And now once this comes up, you're going to type in Y and then click on enter again. And now once you do that for the third step, you're going to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. So we're going to restart computer, keep on watching. And now once our computer is turning on again, you're going to be getting this. To skip this check-in, press any key. Do not press any key. You want to let this check-in run. So there's going to be a countdown. It's going to ask you to press a key. Do not press any key. And then let all the seconds load in. And now you're going to run this check-in. And now once this has been done, it's going to take you back into Windows and then the problem should be fixed.